Okay, it's on.
All right, it's on. All right, here. Put my fucking roller. Got my hard hat. Took my baseball cap off. We ain't playing baseball.
Turn the light on.
Can't. Oh,
Can't do nothing without the light.
got to be able to see some shit.
There you go.
Get your fucking roller. All the other videos on YouTube about me, they don't know shit.
That's the boss man right there.
So you gotta get this shit done.
When he puts that hat and that light on, it's all
I
about
see
business.
everything then.
All about business.
Got it. So you gotta do this shit. Fuck, move this that way. Ah. Shit. It's better if you get your paint over here. But I ain't gonna do that. We're doing it like this. I ain't gonna do that.
All the way up, all the way down.
That's what he told me, all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom. I got it. See that? Now you catch the next video, I have this whole fucking room painted. But right now, I'll see y'all there. All right.